Hey guys, this is Roy Tishevelis from Visual Composer, and today I want to share with you two significant improvements we have introduced in the Visual Composer version 45.0. So let's go! Okay guys, so here we are at the WordPress admin dashboard, and the first feature I want to show you is a completely new way how we managed to streamline the page creation process by introducing the blank page wizard. So, to get your hands on the blank page wizard, simply choose adding a new page or post with the Visual Composer. Let's click on Add New Post, and now instead of a blank page or a theme layout, you actually have an option to choose on how you would like to start. So the first thing is that you can change the layout of your page even before starting working on it. So you can go with the theme default page or the one you specified in the theme builder. You can get your hands on the blank page, which is completely empty, or choose one of the layouts that you have prepared. The next step is actually choose either you want to start with some content in place, maybe you want to go with one of your already created templates, or choose one of the templates from the Visual Composer Hub. The sweet spot is that you don't have to go back and forth to the WordPress admin dashboard to adjust things that are related to your post. Now you can easily adjust the permalink, the featured image categories, tags, excerpts, and more. All this can be done before you actually start to create your page. Okay, so I will simply go with one of my templates and the blank page and click Get Started. And here is my page, already with the content and so on. So the blank page wizard is really useful for those that are just getting their hands on Visual Composer and don't know how to start. This is a bit familiar from what you have seen in other tools like Google Docs and so on. So you definitely will love blank page wizard. And the next feature I want to show you is the way how you can actually work with the images, the new image upload controls. Before, you had to go to the images or add a single image element and then upload it to the media library and so on. So what we have done is actually introduced a way to simply drag image into an empty column to add it to the page. And let's do just that. So I have my image there and I will simply add it. You will see the image library, the image is uploaded, click select, and your image is there. So as simple as that. And the sweet spot is that if you drag into the column several images, Visual Composer will automatically recognizes that, and instead of the single image, you will see your image gallery added to the page. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video overview. To get the blank page wizard and the new image upload controls, make sure to update your Visual Composer version. And if you don't have Visual Composer yet, you can always download it for free at visualcomposer.com. Thank you, and make sure to follow us for more exciting releases. See ya!